bought the Superman at the live Chicago event, and I was happy with the results. I wasn't feeling sore after I went to the gym and everything like that. And I'd gone home, and I think it was around Thanksgiving, went to my in-laws, and my mother-in-law saw it. She's a nurse, asked about it. Her father, my wife's grandfather, asked about it, and he was really curious about it. So I took it off and I gave it to her grandfather to wear for the rest of the day. He's got really bad arthritis. And we weren't even paying attention, and he's sitting at the table like an hour later, and he's looking at his hands, and he's doing this, and he got all excited, and he like let out a little kid scream. He's like, "Look at my hands!" He's like, "I haven't been able to do any more than that for years, and I'm doing this now." And everybody was just really amazed, and like, well, if it's doing that much for you, why don't you just keep it? You know, I can always, you know, I'm fine. I'm young enough. I can do without it. If it's helping you that much, great. He loves it, and now I've noticed that I'm a little sore every time I go to the gym, and I kind of miss mine. So I think they're doing a trick. I was getting teased at work because some of the guys saw it and they were like, "Oh, you fell for that, whatever." I was like, yeah, well, whatever. If I think it's working, that's all that matters, because it's doing something for me. And I'm not sore when I come home from the gym. I can do this job walking 6-7 miles a day without any problem. So if it's doing it for me, that's all that matters. So there you go. That's my story.